looking dull, dark and tired? Do you know that using a brightening facial scrub can help to remove dead skin cells, improve your glow, improve your skin glow, and also help to give you a fresh, bright and healthy skin? Today's video, I'll be sharing 5 brightening facial scrubs that you can use to give you a fresh and radiant skin. If you're new here, you're welcome. Hello, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll talk about skincare, beauty tips, and skincare routine to help give you a beautiful, radiant, glowy, and flawless skin. So if you love skincare, do well to hit that subscribe button, alright? For my returning subscribers, thank you, darlings, for always coming back to watch my video. Like, you guys are the best. You guys are just the best. Yes, so don't forget, guys, drop your comments for me. You guys know how we do it here. Drop your comment, feel free to ask your questions, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video. Of course, let's share to more people. The more we share, the more people watch, the more YouTube recommend to more and more people, right? My number 1 facial scrub that I highly recommend for brightening, if you want skin brightening, is Beauty Formula's Vitamin C Micro Polishing Facial Scrub. Yeah, this is number 1, highly recommended. Like, if you're looking for a facial scrub that will brighten your skin, this is your go-to. Yeah. This one does the magic. I'm using it right now and it's perfect. It's just perfect too. Like, seriously, this is very good. This is a good facial scrub. It's actually a micro polishing. It's not like the usual facial scrub that has those dots that will help to scrub your skin. This is a micro polishing one, and it has like a foaming, yeah, it has a foaming finishing. So when you're using this on your face, you're not just scrubbing your face, it's also cleansing your face. It scrubs and cleans at the same time. So it's 2 in 1. So you can actually just use this as your face wash. Yes, you don't even need, with this alone, you don't even need like a facial wash. Yes, because it has foaming ingredients in it. So it scrub your face and also cleanse your face at the same time. So it's 2 in 1. Like, it's written here, gentle exfoliation in a light foaming gel to stimulate natural glow. That's what it does. So it to gently exfoliate your skin and also cleanse your face at the same time. It's very good. It's a brightening vitamin C. I've been using it for almost 2 months now, and honestly, I'm enjoying it. Like, I'm getting the best out of it. This is like, it gives me value for my money, and it's not too expensive. How much did I get? It's not too expensive. I got it like almost 5k in the market. Yes, 5,000 naira in H Medics. Like, you all know, that's where I buy my products. It's like in fact, right now, H Medics should be paying me, because like, I'm just giving them good ratings. Anyways, because their products are actually good. Disclaimer, I'm not advertising for anybody. I'm just like sharing my skincare routine and what I use and what works for me. So that's what I'm doing. So, but this is one of the best of the best in the market. If you want brightening, if you're looking for brightening, this is it. Okay, so what it does is to help to brighten your skin. It helps to remove dullness. Yes, to improve dullness on your skin, and it also helps to improve your glow. It's very easy to use. Like, I have a video where I shared like how to use it. So if you've not seen that video, like, I'm not going to explain here. Guys, go watch that video. All right, go watch that video of how to use this vitamin C micro polishing facial scrub. I showed like from the beginning to the end, from the start to finish, how to use it. So do well to watch that video. Check my skincare routine. That video is there of how to use this product to have a fresh, glowy and fresh skin. Number 2 is St. Ives. If you've not used St. Ives, go and get it. Like, if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, dullness and darkness and breakouts, and it's not working, try St. Ives. This is one product that is very good. It's one of the most popular in the market right now. It's one of the most popular that people are using online, offline. It's very good. It will help to remove dullness from your skin. It will help to improve your skin texture, which is very true. Like, I noticed that. Then it will help to brighten your skin. So you want skin brightening. You want to remove dead skin cells, like all those dead skin cells that are, still patching on your skin. It will help to remove those dead skin cells. It will help to improve the brightness of your skin. Yes, those natural exfoliants, that's what it contains in it. It helps to refresh your skin. So it targets like your skin texture and helps to improve it and brighten it, and remove all those dead skin cells and make your skin start looking smooth and refreshed. It's very good, highly recommended. So please go and use St. Ives and you will love the result. The third one is tea tree facial scrub. Have you used it before? Have you tried it? What's your experience? Please let me know in the comment section. This was what I was using before I got this tea tree by SBC Expel Beauty Care, and it's a tea tree facial scrub. Gently exfoliate for visibly brighter skin, cleanses pores and reducing blackheads. So it helps to reduce blackheads, it helps to clean your pores, it helps, it exfoliates for visibly brighter skin. So it helps to give you a brighter skin. It's very, very good. Just the way you exfoliate with other facial scrub, it's the same thing you do. Yeah, so it's very good. It has more bigger spots. It's not like the micro polishing one. So it has bigger spots that can help to really clean. Like, I love this one and it's lightweight. It's good for oily skin. It's good for oily skin, it's good for dull skin, it's good for combination skin as well. Yes, so for all skin type, but mostly for oily skin because it's lightweight, and it will help to really polish your skin, help polish your face and give you like a bright over time. Like, if you start using it the first 1 month, you may not notice it, but if you use it for like 3, 4, 5, in the 6 months, oh, you will love your skin. You will love your skin. Like, in the 6th month, like, I was looking at my skin like, is this me? Baby skin. It gives you that. With time, over time, it polishes your skin and it brightens. It works. Because I have oily skin and I used it and I saw like how effective it was for me for oily skin. So like, this is tried and tested. I'm talking from experience. So this is not what someone used, it's what I used, and it worked for me. All right, so try using this and you definitely love the results. You definitely, for best result, most of these facial scrub, use them twice. I exfoliate twice weekly, every Wednesdays and Sundays. So you want to exfoliate, pick the days that are convenient for you, do your exfoliation and do it twice weekly for best result. Like, you definitely notice it, and be consistent. Don't miss any day. If you're doing it that day, do it that day. Don't miss it. Every day, do it same day. All right, and be consistent, and you definitely see how effective it is. So I got it between around 5 to 6K. That's the price you can get it. So in case you're looking for it. The fourth one is Clean and Clear Brightening Facial Scrub. It's also one of the best. It's popular online as well. Like, I've seen good ratings, I've heard good reviews about it. That is very good. It's one of the best brightening facial scrubs in the market right now. It's gentle on the skin, very gentle, and it's highly affordable. It's not expensive. It's something you can get. It's around the same price with this ones. It's for all skin types. Yeah, it's also good for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you want to start facial scrub, you want to start scrubbing your face, this is perfect for beginners. Like, it's not harsh on the skin. It's very subtle and soft on the skin. So it's something you can use. What does Clean and Clear do to your skin when you use it to exfoliate? It helps to remove oil. So if you have oily skin, it's very good for oily skin. So if you want your skin to be clearer and smoother and brighter, use Clean and Clear Brightening Facial Scrub. It's very good. It will help to with your skin clarity, it will help to brighten your skin, and it will help to remove dullness from your skin. So it's very good, and it's good for beginners, like I said. Very, very good. So try Clean and Clear. It's one of the best brightening facial scrub in the market, with good ratings, good reviews about it. It's also best for acne prone skin. So if you're prone to acne, young and matured skin. So if you have a young people can actually use it. The matured skin can also use it. You have like a more matured, let's say you're 50 plus, 60, you can also use it. Clean and Clear is very good. It helps to clear your skin. Then it's also good for young people, teenagers can also use it. It's surely Clean and Clear to help clean and clear your skin at the same time. Very, very good. One of the best brightening facial scrubs in the market. Yes, based on popular review and popular demand. Last one, number 5, is Neutrogena Brightening Facial Scrub. I guess we all know Neutrogena, like they've been around for years. Neutrogena makes one of the best skincare products. Yeah, they have one of the best skincare products. Facial scrub, moisturizers, serums, like they have like the best. So this is Neutrogena Brightening Facial Scrub. It deep cleans your pores, it helps to remove dead skin, and it also helps to brighten your complexion. Neutrogena Brightening Facial Scrub is good if you have dull skin. It will help to brighten your dull skin. If you have dark spots as well, if you have dark spots, it will help to clear off every dark spot on your skin. So it targets dark spots, it targets dull skin, and also uneven skin tone. So if your skin is not even, maybe you have like patches on your face, some places are bright, some places are dark, maybe because of acne. There are some acne that will just stay on one spot and darken that spot. It's when you're using it, it will help to like give you even skin. It will help to brighten that place and make your face blend with the other rest parts of your body. So if you're using it on your face, it helps your face blend with your body. So it gives you like even skin tone. That's what it does. So it targets uneven skin tone. It targets dark spots on your face. So it helps to clear off every dark spot, every hyperpigmentation, every acne on your face. And it also helps to improve dullness on your skin. So if you have dull skin, to help to improve it. So Neutrogena is one of the best products. They have like the best brightening facial scrub in the market, and try it. Try the facial scrub and you definitely see results. Bonus tip on how to use your facial scrubs. You don't scrub on a dirty skin, please. First, wash your face. Make sure your face is thoroughly clean. You wash it with facial wash, like your face wash. Use your face wash to wash your face before you use your facial scrub, all right? So if your skin is dirty, please don't scrub on a dirty skin. You're only adding more dirt to your skin. You scrub on a clean skin. Once you apply it on your clean skin, then you scrub it in circular movement all over your face. And if you're scrubbing, once you scrub your face, you are done with your face, make sure you scrub your ear, scrub back of your ear, back on your neck, scrub your neck as well. Anyone is remaining, scrub on your hand. Whatever you're applying, apply on your face, your neck, your ear, and your hand. Just apply the remaining on your hand. Apply it, just scrub your hand so that everywhere is clean. You're sure that everywhere is clean. Like you feel your palm, your palm will be soft when you use it to clean your hand. Like everywhere blends to give you even skin tone, all right? So that's how you use your facial scrub. But I have a video where I taught how to use these products. For daily skincare routine on how to exfoliate and use these products, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoy watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. I'm Anita Akoja. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.